Hello and welcome to your MES lesson. I'm Virginia. Today, you're going to learn about regular and irregular verbs. What are regular and irregular verbs? All verbs in English can be divided into two groups, regular and irregular verbs. Most verbs in English are regular verbs, which mean they follow the same pattern in the past tense. For example, I cooked, I baked, I worked. Verbs that do not follow the pattern are called irregular verbs. For example, I drew, I fought, I gave. Now, let's talk about regular verbs. The past tense of regular verbs can be made by adding an ed to the end of the verb. For example, in the present tense, I cough. In the past tense, I coughed. If the verb already ends with an e, then we simply add a d. For example, in the present tense, I dance. In the past tense, I danced. Let's practice those together. Please repeat after me. Cough, coughed. Dance, danced. Very nice. Irregular verbs do not follow this pattern. You must memorize the changes in irregular verbs since they do not follow any specific rules. Make sure you study your regular and irregular verbs during your lessons. For example, in the present tense, I think. In the past tense, I thought. Good. Now let's practice saying some irregular verbs. First, we'll say the present form of the verb, and then we'll say the past tense form. Please repeat after me. Go, went. Good job. Please repeat after me. Buy, bought. Know, knew. Eat, ate. Have, had. Write, wrote. Drink, drank. See, saw. Do, did. Good. Let's do one more. Drive, drove. Excellent. Now, let's review. What are regular and irregular verbs? There are two groups of verbs. Regular verbs follow a pattern, and irregular verbs must be memorized. Well done! I'm Virginia. See you next time.